Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. It is great to see you again. We are happy you are here to learn with us.
Today, we have a very useful episode. We are going to talk about you. We want to know what makes you happy.
Yes, today we are learning how to say what you like and what you do not like.
This is essential for making friends.
When you meet new people, you talk about food, you talk about music, you talk about movies. You need to express your opinion.
Exactly. Do not worry. The phrases are simple. We will practice them together slowly.
Remember, there are no mistakes here, only learning. Are you ready to start?
Let's go. Our first phrase is the most important one. It is used when you feel good about something. The phrase is, I like.
I like. This means you enjoy something. It makes you smile. It is positive.
Let's look at examples with food. Example 1. I like pizza.
Example 2. I like chocolate ice cream. Now I want you to say it. Repeat after me. I like.
Very good. Now try to say the full sentence. I like pizza.
Perfect. But what happens if something is bad? What if you do not enjoy it?
Then we use our second phrase, I don't like.
I don't like. This is the negative form. It means something is not good for you.
Here are some examples. Example 1. I don't like onions.
Example 2. I don't like cold coffee.
Now it is your turn. Repeat the negative phrase, I don't like.
Excellent. Now try the full sentence. I don't like onions.
Great job. So we have I like and I don't like. But sometimes you have a very strong feeling.
Yes. When you really, really like something, we use a special word. The phrase is, I love.
I love. This is much stronger than like. Think of a heart symbol. It is your favorite thing.
We often use this for music or family. Example 1. I love pop music.
Example 2. I love my dog.
Listen to the emotion. I love. Now you repeat it. I love.
Very nice. Say the full sentence. I love pop music.
You sound very natural. Now we need the opposite. When you really dislike something. When it is terrible.
For this, we use the phrase I hate.
I hate. This is a strong word. It means you really do not like it at all.
We can use this for movies or bad situations. Example 1. I hate horror movies. They are too scary.
Example 2. I hate traffic in the morning.
Okay, be careful with this word. It is strong. Repeat after me. I hate.
Good. Now the sentence. I hate horror movies.
You are doing a fantastic job. We have 4 phrases now. I like, I don't like, I love, and I hate.
Now we need to learn a small grammar rule. This is very important when we talk about activities.
Yes, when we talk about an action, like playing or cooking, we usually add 3 letters to the end of the verb, ing.
For example, we do not say, I like cook. We say, I like cooking.
Let's practice this change. The action is read, but we say reading.
Example 1. I like reading books.
Example 2. I love dancing at parties.
Do you hear the ing sound? Dancing, reading, cooking.
Let's try a negative example. I don't like cleaning my room.
Now you try. Repeat this sentence. I like reading.
Excellent work. This small change makes your English sound much better.
So let's mix everything. We can talk about food, music, and activities.
I will ask you a question, Charlotte. Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food. I love sweet food, like cake. What about you, Leo? Do you like rock music?
Yes, I like rock music, but I hate loud noise when I am sleeping.
See? It's a natural conversation. You can do this too.
Think about your life. What do you love? What do you hate?
It's okay to be different. I like blue, you like red. That is normal.
Before we finish today, let's review our key vocabulary one more time.
First, for good things. I like.
Second, for bad things, I don't like.
Third, for very good things. I love.
Fourth, for very bad things, I hate.
And finally, for actions, remember the ing. I like swimming.
You did a great job today. Speaking about your feelings is brave.
To end the episode, we have a special phrase for you, a motivational thought.
Today's phrase is, don't be afraid to be yourself. Your choices make you unique.
I love that. Your choices make you unique. It means that what you like is part of who you are.
Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
Practice saying what you like today. We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.